Good evening, everybody. My name is Chris. Welcome to Common English Errors. And today we will be talking about one of the most common mistakes I find with most clients when speaking English is the use of prepositions. Okay, is the use of prepositions. In many, many cases, I hear many people say give for or give to. Yeah, maybe in Chinese they're all the same, but you must be careful that in English, they basically give for just does not exist. It's always give to. But you're going to ask me, yeah, Chris, but wait a minute. I hear many, many people use the word for with the word give. True. We do use for sometimes, but we would never say give for. We would say, give blah, 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 to blah, 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 for blah, blah, blah. But we would never say give for sure. We would never say give for sure. And today, I'm going to help you in understanding on how to use to or for. And of course, we will, if we have time, I'm sure we do, I will also explain on. You see, using prepositions correctly seems to be one of the most challenging aspects of the English language for many English as a second language learners. Okay, and the most common mistake, as I said, is prepositions. All right, and today we will be explaining what is the correct way of using for, to, and on. And if we have time, I'll explain a little more. All right, let's check it out here. So you see, let's check out these two sentences. I'm going to give it for you, or I'm going to give it to you. Now, people, which one is correct? Is it give it for you or give it to you? And, of course, everyone so far has written the correct answer. The correct answer is indeed giving it to you. But wait a second. I want you to know that actually this sentence is not 100% wrong. It can be correct, but I'll explain why. Most of the time we will use I'm going to give it to you. Okay? I'm going to give it to you. You must give something to someone. Okay? Remember, to basically is a direction from A to B. You're giving something from A to another person. Okay, that is the usage of to. You see, to is basically used in directional situations. For example, let's drive to New York. I'm going to the store. I'm mailing something to you. The girl is giving flowers to her mommy. To is basically from A to B. Okay? From one place to another place. Okay? So that's why basically the preposition to is much more common than for. Now later I will explain how do we use for, but I want to make sure that you understand the concept of to. Okay, let's continue here. All right. Now first, let's explain why many people in Taiwan might accidentally make this mistake. You see, we do use the word for when it comes to special occasions. You see, for example, the girl gave flowers to her mommy for Mother's Day. Okay? So let me give you a little hint on for. Most of the time we use to when it comes to directions. Okay, I mean when something is happening from A to B, we are going to Taipei. Okay, I will give the report to you. Okay, all right, that kind of stuff in the direction of to. We use the word for, we use the preposition for when it comes to a reason. Okay, why are you doing it? Oh, why is the girl giving her mom flowers? Because the reason is it's Mother's Day. The girl gave flowers to her mommy for Mother's Day. That is the reason.